Can you add someone to your Walmart Plus account? Today we are going to talk about whether you can add someone to your Walmart Plus account, and suppose if you are two individuals or two friends and you want to share one Walmart Plus account, how can you do that? As you guys can see, I'm currently on the Walmart Plus and there is no such option that allows you to directly share the Walmart Plus membership. However, here's a thing you can do to allow both of you to use the same account at the same time. In order to do that, you simply need to know the login credentials of this account. Afterward, you just have to log out of your device. Then you both have to sign in to the same account on your respective devices at the same time. What it will do is it will obviously prompt you for two-factor authentication, or it will give you some verification code. You have to put the same code on both devices, and there you go. Both devices will have the same Walmart Plus account, which you guys will be able to use without having any problems. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.